Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this Origami Sakura flower, 5 petal flower. To make this flower, I have taken only 1/4 size of paper. For the demonstration purpose, I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper. Keep the color side on the top and fold the paper into half. Now lift one flap and fold it into half. And no need to put the crease all over, just here in this portion make a crease. And open the flap and fold it diagonally and make the crease. We need this point to create a pentagon from a square. Bring the tip to this point and then make a crease. Fold this into half as shown. On the right side, remaining this portion also will be folded into half. Then fold it back and align it properly and make a crease. Now take a scissor and cut here. Now you can see one side is shorter and the other side is longer of this triangle. So on the longer side we need to make a star shape fold. That is bringing this side and aligning with this. And making a sharp crease. This is a pre-creasing for the next step. We have to do that for all the flaps. Now open the fold and you can see a star shape here. Keeping the white side on the top, make sure that you have the mountain folds from the tip of the star like this. Now fold it as shown. Repeat this step for all the 5 corners. Now the model will look like this. Now take these 2 tips like this and hold it. Then the third flap you have to hold it like this. Then fold it as shown. Then collapse the model as shown. Now you will be having one flap in one side and other 4 flaps on the other side. So you can just bring one more extra flap to the other side. And now take a scissor and just cut a small portion here to give the sakura petal shape. Now keep the color side on the top as shown. Open the petals one by one as shown. Give a little bit of curved shape using your fingers. Origami Sakura flower is done. To make this small sakura flower, I have used 1/4 size of the sheet. And in the back side, it will look like this. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.